Welcome to The Law and You here on Eyewitness News. It is the Saturday morning edition, the morning that you guys are always ready for, excited about. And it's attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Good to see you guys.
You going to a Kentucky Derby party?
I am going to be out for the Kentucky Derby tonight. How about you guys?
Absolutely. It's one of my favorite sporting events.
And you can catch it right here on WBRE a little later today. So stay tuned for that. And also stay tuned for our question today. Here we go. This is from Paul in Whitehaven. Paul says, look, I worked all my life and accumulated a nice stock portfolio. I want to make sure my money goes where I want it to go. I have 3 children, but they don't get along. Can I draft my own will, or should I see a lawyer? That's a good question. Can you do your own will?
Yeah, you know, Paul, it's a very good question. Technically, can you do your own will? Yes. Would we advise you to do your own will? The answer is no. If you've accumulated, you know, obviously you have a certain amount of wealth, and you want that wealth to go to your children, whether equally or unequally, whatever it may be. But there are certain, you know, you can avoid certain inheritance taxes, avoid certain estate taxes if you do some proper planning. And then you could also set up, you know, if your children aren't getting along, depending on their ages, things of that nature, there's different types of trust that you could set up. So you could write your own will, but we would certainly counsel you not to do that, to go and speak with somebody in order to plan your estate out properly.
Yeah, this comes down to all the planning. We talk about this a lot, like planning and making sure you get the right advice, so whatever you really want to do will be contained in the document that you're preparing. So take the time, spend the money. You'll be a lot happier with the result that comes out, because you know exactly, the attorney will, and again, this is not, we don't do this type of stuff. There's people out there who are very good at it. They will tell you exactly what you can do, and you'll have, you know, you'll very comfortable by the time you get done with the meeting, because all the questions you have will be answered. But to specifically answer, yeah, you can write your own will. People do it. They hold up. You know, they write them by hand and they survive.
And it sounds like it's one of those situations where you spend a couple dollars now and it could save big bucks down the line.
Lots of money. You could save thousands upon thousands of dollars, you know, later on in life.
All right, for our viewers who need your legal advice or maybe a referral, how can they reach you?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Or if you have a question, put it on our Facebook page, our Twitter feed, post something on Instagram, any of the above. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. Enjoy your weekend.
See you Monday.
All right, PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.